siang, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Sambutan ini akan dikasih dalam bahasa Inggris, maaf ya. So, Honourable Director of SWA Magazine, President Director of ADIRA, Honourable Representatives from the Ministry of Transportation, Ministry of Health, representatives from the National Police, Lantas, representatives from local government, Bupati and Wali Kota, colleagues from non-governmental organisations, ladies and gentlemen. We are here now to inaugurate the first Indonesia Road Safety Award, where the process was involving all key sectors in the National Plan on Road Safety, the responsible focal person for each pillar, to give appreciation and acknowledgement for those cities and districts which have developed their environments, not only for transportation or infrastructure, but more in a comprehensive approach of intervention. As has already been mentioned a few times, road traffic collisions kill and injure millions of people every year. With over 1.2 million people killed each year, road crashes are a leading cause of death globally. Over 3,400 men and women and children are killed every single day on the world's roads while walking, cycling or driving, and these people will never return home. Another 20 to 50 million others are injured and some of them are disabled permanently each year. The sheer size of the toll is quite staggering, and the tragedy is worsened as it is mainly the young and healthy, those in the prime of their life and supporting their families, who are killed on the road. And you may be interested to know that rates of road traffic deaths are higher in middle-income countries such as Indonesia than in low-income countries, and that's because of the wealth and the more vehicles on the road. So Indonesia really needs to pay attention to this issue as a middle-income country. However, road traffic deaths and injuries can be prevented, and WHO continues to work with partners, governmental and non-governmental, around the world to raise the profile of the prevention of road traffic injuries and promote good practices related to helmet and seat belt wearing, not drinking and driving, not speeding, and being visible in traffic, among other things. So we can see strong commitment is a key to addressing the global road safety crisis. Improvement in road safety does not just happen by chance. It requires commitment in the form of effective laws, strategies, policies and programs, and adequate funding to implement them. Governments should address this major public health and development issue as a matter of urgency. I hope this award will encourage more and more local government tenders to put more attention on road safety. And as an example of what I'm talking about, in the Southeast Asian region, none of the countries in the Southeast Asian region has comprehensive legislation on all 5 key risk factors of road traffic injury: speeding, drink driving, use of motorcycle helmets, seat belts, and child restraints. And only 3 countries in this region have policies to promote walking, cycling and public transport, and only 5 countries have policies to separate vulnerable road users as a way of protecting them. So these are the sorts of practical things that can be done to reduce the toll. In this very first Indonesia Road Safety Award, organised by the private sector, SWA Magazine and ADIRA, who would like to emphasise, as you saw in the video, that this year is part of the World Day of Road Traffic Victims themes, and it's part of a decade of road traffic safety. To have roads that are safe for all, the collaboration of private sector and governments such as this event is a good example for the future. And I hope that this can attract more and more communities to be aware of the importance of road safety awareness. Finally, thank you again to SWA Magazine and ADIRA as the initiator and organiser, and all government stakeholders for the objective judgment. I hope this award can be sustained and give more and more benefit for the people in the future. Terima kasih.